In this video, let's talk about the road test within Budget Challenge. Make sure we understand some of these trophies. So again, this is all where it becomes a little bit challenging and it can be difficult to accomplish. So we've already talked about the emergency fund and understand the ramifications of that a little bit. We talked about perfect pay. Perfect pay is something I'm looking for, that you are paying your bills on time. You should be able to do that. You don't have to juggle money and plan. Just make sure you're staying on track of everything and good task management. So credit card management. This is basically don't carry a balance and pay off the credit card each time. So the credit card, remember I said, is the only bill that we don't have to pay in full every time we get that. The other thing we can do is we can pay the credit card bill at any point in time during the billing cycle. So if I have a little bit of money, I can pay off or pay toward the credit card bill. And again, in this case, the scenario that we've already talked about for the emergency fund, you don't have enough money. You may not have enough money. Let me word it like that, because I don't know, because I'm playing this along with you. That you may not have enough money for your first credit card bill. If your first credit card bill is $750, you wouldn't have enough money to pay it off the first time. So again, this is how you do that. Again, the more trophies you get, the more bonus points you get. That would go toward your ranking. So this credit card management, this is something I try to do personally every month if I can pay off my credit card bills. I try not to carry a balance. And if you pay that $15 minimum fee or whatever that is, then you're crazy, because again, you pay a lot of interest for things. Saving for retirement. This is where you have to save at least $1,000 in your first pay periods to your 401k. And again, this is tough. I don't know if you can do this. It says 67% or 67% of everyone who play the game does. I just don't know how you can go back and do this. But again, you can certainly look at that and see how much you have to take out in your contribution rate for the first 4 pay periods, not first 4 weeks, first 4 pays. All right. That would just be toward the overall thing. Credit health. I'm looking for this. This has to do with your credit card, and there's something called credit utilization points. Okay, so essentially what we want to do is we want to try to keep your credit card balance as low as possible. In this scenario, you have $1,000, and you want to keep your balance below a certain point. Once you reach a certain point, you're going to start getting points docked every day. So I want you to watch this credit utilization video so that you can understand. They'll explain that there. And again, it's a pretty good video. Sometimes the videos from Budget Challenge are pretty generic in overview. They don't go over a lot of details. This one does. So this is something where I'm looking for you to try to keep your balance. And in order to do this, you can make payments interims throughout the game. So if you have extra money, pay off your credit card, pay it toward your credit card. So again, that keeps things as low as possible. Again, you're going to get a chart down here about where you're at and what's going on. So again, this is something I'm looking at on this as well. And finally, debt reduction on here. This is where they want you to pay down your student loan. Again, the student loan, the interest on that would be low. I would try to I would worry more about your credit card because your interest rate's high on that opposed to your student loan. There is a installment video. If you're making payments on that, you have to put this in here. If you make a payment on this, I would go back into your budget challenge cash flow worksheet and put that in your red column here in the withdrawals, fees, and transfers. But that would allow you to utilize this. Anything that you're doing for the credit cards or anything with this, always go back to the trophies and look. And again, this all builds points. I'm just trying to help you rank as high as possible that you can throughout the game. So this would take care of the road test part of the game.